Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to play Sagrada. Sagrada is a game of dice drafting and window crafting by Daryl and Adrian Adamescu. This one is published by Floodgate. To play this game, you need a window. So this one is just any other window found in churches. All you have to do is to put your dice inside this recessed boxes. So start the game. You'll have to pick so each of you will be given two random cards, and these cards, so choose one and just slide it inside like this. So what does this mean? So what do those boxes would mean? So first one, if it's a blank, you can put any colored dice, any number or any colored dice. A numbered die, and the one with given pips, those are pips. So that means you have to put a die there with a matching number. If it's blue, you should put a blue die. So that's mainly how you place dice in this window. So if you notice, window pattern comes with, on the lower right corner, you'd find dots. The number of dots you'd find here is the difficulty of completing this window, and it will also give you a bonus during the gameplay. So let's say you chose this one and you're now about to play the game. So just skip this. Now, aside from choosing what tile design you'll be focusing on, you'll be given a card. This one is your private objective card. So this private objective card would give you the points at the end of the game. So let's say you got blue. That means all the blue dice that you put in your window, will be your end point score. Will be added to your end point score. So let's say I just got blue. Okay. So, how to play the game? First, of course, this one is kept secret. So the rule is, someone will draw die. They will draw dice depending on how many players are there in the game. So let's say there are 5 players in the game. So that means it will be 5 times 2 plus 1. So there will be 11 dice. So someone will take 11 dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So collect the dice. Oh. So after collecting the dice, you'll have to roll it. And there you go. So you would choose color and the number based on the dice or the die rolls. Okay, so first player would be the one who would take the die they want to put in. So let's say one. Oh, by the way, first die that place should be placed around on the edges of your window. So maybe I could take a 6. There's a 6 here. I'll take the 6. Sorry, I'll take the 6. So here, put 6 here. So it's at the edge. So I put 6. Then the next player will get it, and then another one. So let's say this one, other player, third player, fourth player, fifth player, and then goes back. 5, 4, 3, 2, And then let's just say you now have, you'll be left with two. The first player will be left with two dice. Okay, and then what you can do is when you put the die, the chosen die should just be beside. Okay, again, you put dice. When you put dice, it should be beside where you previously placed the die, or somewhere near the die you placed. So it could be orthogonal or diagonal, following still the rules of the tile, the window pattern you place inside. So let's say I'll choose blue one and put it here. Since this one is blue, I'll put it here. There you go. That's how you do round one. First, that's the first round, and then followed by second round, third round, fourth round, fifth, until you finish 10 rounds of game. That's it. Now there are placement rules. Again, now you cannot put same color beside each other. So this one is not allowed. Same color beside each other, not allowed. And at the same time, same number beside each other, not allowed. This play right here is not allowed because it's beside 6. This one is not allowed here because it's beside blue. So you have to create something different from your layout. And that's it. At the end of the game, you count the number of pips based on the color you have. Let's say blue. So all the pips of the blue colored die will be counted, and that will be your score. Aside from that, there are objective cards that you will additional objective cards that will give you scores or additional points. You'll be drawing 3 from these cards. So let's say you got these cards. So that means every time that you would create a row with different colors, you get 6 points per row. This one, 5 points per column with different colors. And this one, for every pair of 5 and 6 you have, you get 2 points. That's it. That's how you get points. Sometimes you'll find it hard to put dice, or maybe you messed up your window tile pattern. So what you can do is you'll be given some tools that will help you change the outcome of your pattern. Again, not all of these will be used. There are only 3 per game, so that would give you different types of game for every type you play Sagrada. There are different options you can do. And after that, the player with the highest score wins the game. So this one got up to 50. If you go beyond 50, and then you go, that's it. That's how you play Sagrada. This game would plays around 30 to 45 minutes. 1 to 4 players and age 13 and above. That's it. Thank you, and play more games.